Every year on 31st October, Rashtriya Ekta Divas or National Unity Day is celebrated to commemorate the birth anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, who was India's first Home Minister. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, the great unifier of India, is also known as the Iron Man of India for his efforts and commitments to national integration. He was responsible for uniting the princely states to the Indian territory. He was instrumental in India's independence struggle and for the integration of over 500 princely states into the Union of India. This year marks the 147th anniversary of Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel was a lawyer, influential political leader, barrister and statesman, and he served as the first Deputy Prime Minister and Home Minister of India from 1947 to 1950. Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's full name was Vallabhbhai Javerbhai Patel. During the Bardoli Satyagrah, which was a major peasant movement in Gujarat in the year 1928, was led by Vallabhbhai Patel. And after its success, the women of Bardoli gave the title of Sardar to Vallabhbhai Patel. Rashtriya Ekta Divas or National Unity Day was introduced by the Indian government in 2014 to pay tribute to Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel on his birth anniversary. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated the first Rashtriya Ekta Divas event and also flagged off a program, Run for Unity in New Delhi in 2014. The Rashtriya Ekta Divas provides an opportunity to reaffirm the strength and resilience of our nation towards upholding the unity, integrity and security of our country. The main objective of the celebration is to uplift the nation's unity and also make people aware about Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's contribution to Indian history. The world's tallest Statue of Unity was built as a tribute to the Iron Man of India, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, by the Government of India near the Narmada River in Gujarat in 2018. The Statue of Unity is designed by Padma Bhushan winning sculptor Ram Banji Sutar, who has designed over 50 monuments. The statue depicts the Iron Man of India wearing a traditional dhoti and shawl, towering over the mighty Narmada River, who stands tall, symbolizing Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel's vision on unity, patriotism, inclusive growth and good governance. News Desk Report, Voice 24/7.